Hey guys, I wanted to take a sec real quick to show off my Maytag French door refrigerator. Just want to show you real quick that everything on it's working perfect. You can see kind of a well-rounded, excellent shape here. And before I go fanning the doors, I'm going to show you right in between those two red dots. It's going to take a surface temperature measurement, so it's a little chilly in here. We'll go ahead and open this up. Now I have it set to full blast. It's on its coldest setting. You know, it's sitting right about 30, call that 33. Take a picture of that for the ad. And then, like I said, that's on its coldest setting, which I'll show you here in a sec, but quick, just want to show you that everything's frozen cold like it's supposed to be. Take a picture of that also. There's an ice maker down here, and that ice maker working great. Plenty of ice there. That little bucket catches it. And plenty of space down there. Go ahead and open this up and show you the inside. It's in excellent shape here. The door shelves are, everything's intact. The only thing that's missing is this little flapper drawer here, which isn't that important. A lot of times I always find those just to kind of get in the way and eventually get busted anyway. You can buy them on eBay though for about 20 bucks if you want to hunt one down. Otherwise, no big deal. You can still load this up with all your foods and such, and you've got a little pull-out drawer here, a couple of adjustable pull-out drawers there, and all these are adjustable as well. So are these guys here. And then up here you've got, so we might even turn that down. I think 4 is the recommended setting. And then you've got a humidity control here. So that's going to be it on this guy. Like I said, just wanted to show you real quick that everything's working perfect. When you get it home, plug it in, you'll know you'll be good to go. That's how I like to spend my money, so that's how I like to list my items. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Do appreciate you watching my video. Thanks and have a great day.